enrichment is really simple. So we just get a tube, stuff one end with paper, put a little bit of seed in, and then put another bit in. Easy. The next one's really simple as well. We basically just crush one end, put a couple of seeds in, and then crush the other end. This tea's already starting to get a crowd. So we've got some tube foot toys for our galahs. So one is a tube stuffed either end with paper and a seed hidden in between, and then the other one is just a tube that's been dunked in either end. So we'll see if they like.